Now let's talk about setting up your chart screen. We want to use a daily price chart. I also occasionally will look at weekly price charts, but most of the action that we're going to be able to trade is going to take place on the daily chart. You want to set your chart scale so you can see about a year of price activity, anywhere from 9 months to a year and a half. Depends on the charting program you use, but that's where you want to scale it. On the price side of your chart, you want to make sure that you're looking at a logarithmic or a semi-logarithmic price scale. Well, what does that mean? Prices move based on percentages and not based on the actual dollar value. So, a stock that moves from $1 to $2, that's a $1 move, but it's also a 100% gain. You've just doubled your money. Now, if that same stock moves from $2 to $3, that's not a 100% move. It's still $1, but it's not the same percentage move. So the money is not the same. If that same stock moves from $3 to $4, it's moved $1. But it has not moved 100%. That's more like a 25% move. And so the higher a stock moves, the more dollars that same stock has to fluctuate to give you the same percentage return. And so in order to make the percentage return appear consistent on your chart, you have to use a logarithmic scale, because a logarithmic scale is graduated based on the percentage return. Now, all charting programs that I've ever used give you the option of using arithmetic or logarithmic scaling. Make sure you have yours set for the logarithmic scale, because we're here to trade for big percentage moves, not to pike around for $1 at a time. Now, in addition to that, you want to make sure that the trading volume plot is on every chart you look at. Those are the lines, boom, 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 underneath. That's going to give you an idea of the relative excitement behind a particular stock's move. You have to trade price and volume together if you want to be successful. On your volume plot, I want you to add a 200-day moving average of the volume. This is going to give you a line that cuts across the volume, and it's going to give you a firm visual of when a volume spike has happened, when trading activity is unusual. If you don't know how to do that, contact your broker's technical people and tell them, here's what I need help with. I want to put the volume on the bottom of my chart, but I want to put a moving average of the volume, overlaying it so I can see at a glance what the annual average daily trading volume is. They'll know how to do it. It's available on all charting platforms, but because this is a technical question that is specific to your particular charting platform, I can't tell you how to do it. I'm going to show you how I do it with the company I use, but whatever broker you're using is going to have this ability that's just built into the program. Someone will be able to show you. In addition to that, I want you to add the on-balance volume indicator or the price volume trend indicator, or both. Now, some charting platforms use on-balance volume. Some charting platforms use price balance trend. They are basically the same thing. They're calculated a little bit differently. It doesn't matter which one you use. They're going to give you the same information, and if you can use both, that's even better. In addition to that, we're going to plot what's called a Dauntion channel or a price channel, overlaid the price of our security of at least 21 days. And the purpose of that is it's going to show us the highest high price and the lowest low price that that security has traded in for the last month and 1 day of trading activity. And I'm going to show you on a chart what all of this looks. And later on, I'm going to show you in my trading account how this looks when we go through and put all of this together as I show you what markets I'm trading as of this recording.